True facts. Are you struggling like everybody else that are doing videos? There's 1.5 billion people that use YouTube. There's over 30 million views on YouTube daily. There's over 5+ billion videos that have been shared. Wouldn't you love to have your video shared, or even know how to get it up there in the search engines? Or is this you? Because you don't have a clue what you're doing. So you make videos, you stick them on YouTube, and pray to God it might go viral. That's not how it happens, and that's not how it works. If your SEO sucks, then let me help you. And it's simple ways to do it. You just have to implant it and go for it, because it works. It is true facts. The fact is, this has been tested and proven over the last 7 months. I've been working my tail off to perfect this, because I know it works, because I've used it, and it does. Okay? Let me show you one little proof, alright? Okay, you know that cute Clorox bleach commercial? I got a situation, Mom, that he can't get his belt undone and he has to go to the bathroom. Well, look. Here is uploaded by Clorox Bleach. Alright? This is the Clorox Bleach company. I outranked them right there. I outranked them. And it's stuck, and it's been there now for 2 years. And I haven't touched it. That video right there has gotten me over 173,000 views to that one video. So my name's out there. That helped me get branded. So there's a tip and a trick right there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All you have to do is just go, click the link below in this video, go to the website, put in your email, purchase my Rank to Riches system, and you will be at the top. No more climbing ladders. No more my SEO sucks. You will be able to outrank any of your competition, and you will also know how to do what I just showed you in simple, easy steps to follow. I put it all in video form so you can watch over my shoulder to get it done and learn quickly. Okay? So this is advanced, beginner to advanced, because I started out with beginners and showed them. But there's over 21 videos for you to be able to do this. So are you ready? Are you excited yet? Because I'm excited for you to get it and start implementing it, and start getting the money you deserve today. Start getting the views to your videos today. Start growing that business even higher and higher and higher, because you deserve it. I don't care about me. I care about you. I want to see every online marketer be successful in videos. I even put something in there about video marketing, about being offline. So folks, there's plenty of value for you back there. Just click the link below, get to the site, purchase it, and start doing this in less than 60 minutes. Thanks for watching.